Ever wondered what your favorite celebrities are reading? Turns out, many of them have ditched heavy books for the Kindle. But what is a Kindle and why is it so popular? Let's find out. Kindle is a series of e-readers developed by Amazon. It allows users to download, store, and read digital books, magazines, and more. Unlike regular screens, Kindles use e-ink technology, which mimics real paper, making reading comfortable even in bright sunlight. Some key features of Kindle devices include lightweight design, perfect for reading on the go. Long battery life, lasts weeks on a single charge. Access to the Amazon Kindle store, buy and download books instantly. Customizable reading experience, adjust text size, background color and lighting. Syncing across devices, start reading on your Kindle and pick up where you left off on your phone or tablet. Big names like Kim Kardashian, Reese Witherspoon, and even Bill Gates are Kindle fans. Supermodel Carly Kloss reads on hers while traveling. And book lovers like Emma Watson keep their reading private with a Kindle. So why do celebrities love the Kindle? Portability, carry thousands of books in one slim device. Privacy, no one knows what you're reading. Eye-friendly e-ink screen, makes reading easy on the eyes. Eco-friendly, save paper, save trees. If you love reading or want to start, the Kindle is a game changer. With different models to fit any budget, it's a smart choice for book lovers everywhere. What do you think, Kindle or physical books? Let me know in the comments.